Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this twister car manufactured by Panda Baby Products. The box of this baby rider includes the swing car body, a steering wheel, front wheel set, backrest, wheels, wheel caps, 2 connecting rods and 2 ball bearings. Insert the ball bearing at the top of the swing car in the slot provided. Insert the connecting rod in the slot provided in the front wheel set and then insert the ball bearing through the connecting rod. Take the steering and unscrew the cell cap and then insert 3 AA batteries. Insert the T-rod through the steering wheel. Insert the front wheel set through the 2 slots provided in the front of the swing car body. Insert the steering wheel and the T-rod through the connecting rod through the slots in front of the swing car. Place the washer in the front wheel set and tighten the nut to firmly fix the front wheel set. Insert the axle pin through the slots at the back of the swing car. Insert 2 balls bearing in the slots present in the back wheel. Insert both the back wheels through the axle pin. Insert the quarter pin and turn it with a plas to firmly fix both the back wheels. Finally, fix the wheel caps in the slots on the back wheel. Place the steering cap on top of the steering wheel and fix it. Now, this swing car is ready for your toddler to ride.